Hi Scorpio, this is going to be your healing reading for April 2020. I'm going to be pulling a couple of different cards for you. We'll start with this oracle deck here, move into tarot cards for the past, present, and future energies, and then we'll get a card from the universe to end your reading. This is going to be a general reading, so it may not resonate with all of you, but if it does, all the better. And if you would like to subscribe and add your energies to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. So let's see what we have for you and what we're healing this month as we move forward. This message is for Scorpio, angel spirits, guides. What do we have? For Scorpio, April 2020. We have lightning. This reminds me of the Three of Swords. So we will see what this says. We are going to get this message straight from the book and see where we're starting. And then we'll pull some tarot cards. So here we go. The forces of the upper world are investing their gathered energies to ignite you with new inspiration and creativity. Allow this divine gift of awakening to take root in your being and enjoy a renewed sense of clarity, passion, and vision. Okay, so you could have been recently pretty foggy about the things that you're passionate about. There's an awakening happening deep within your soul, and maybe in the background, maybe you don't even realize it's happening, but there is this energy of really sending you the downloads that you need and able to move forward from a situation. There's healing energy in this because the universe is working to send you exactly what you need at the divine time that you need it. And this is going to help you with releasing, with moving forward, igniting new passions, igniting new inspirations, and how to do that. There's a lot of energy in this. Lightning is pretty strong, I would say. So let's see if we can get more about what we're talking about. We're going to start with your past energies in the situation, move to the present energies, and then look at what may be coming in the future. Let's get one more. Here we go. For Scorpio, April 2020. For the past energies for Scorpio, please. See your own card here, the Death card popping up. What messages do we have for Scorpio? It's too many. For Scorpio, April 2020. I'm going to take those that flipped. Okay, we've got the Two of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. So something in your past has been giving you a lot of anxiety. It's been creating maybe some sleepless nights here, just over and over and over in your mind. And since the process has been so slow, about like you've been in the past, you were waiting, going back and forth about what to do about something, and it was seemingly taking forever, but it was like it was moving at such a snail's pace. But I think I think it's your indecision that was creating this snail's pace. And the longer you kind of waited to make a decision, I mean, the more anxiety it created. So let's see where we are currently in this energy. Okay. So this is you now, I would say, having moved through this pentacle that was here with the knight that was moving so slowly has now turned into an offer that you're willing to accept, or you're wanting to offer now. I think having moved through this like really rough energy over here that was stagnant, not moving forward, very back and forth, contemplating, has now moved into an energy where you're ready. You now have an offer. This is you getting more clear, I would say, in your current situation about what it is that you want from a situation, what you want to offer. Maybe this offer in the past that was coming from someone else, or just the situation in general just wasn't working for you, and now you are getting clear on how you see things. So let's look and see this is you enlightening yourself. This is at the bottom of the deck with Page of Pentacles. This is you becoming enlightened in a situation. And with the Lightning card here from Spirit, maybe this is what you needed. Spirit's coming through to bring in clarity, to bring enlightenment about what's going on. And now you're ready to make some type of offer. Let's see what's coming to you in the future. So you have the Page of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Three of Cups. Let me go back here, because now what I'm seeing is this offer that was taking forever is now about to come to you. I'm not thinking this is you anymore having an offer. I think that someone has been definitely holding back from you, withholding information, maybe watching you from a distance. They've been in rest mode. They've been trying to figure things out. They've trying to figure out which way they want to go. Maybe they're healing themselves. But what they truly want is reconciliation. What they want is a coming together and to celebrate a moving on from something that was very stagnant, not moving forward, and creating a lot of anxiety in your life. So some type of offer in your current space is going to be coming in, and it's going to be regarding reconciliation. Let's get a couple of more cards on these and see where we are. Yep. At the bottom of the deck, fast moving communication about a divine partnership here. or your soul's journey. If this isn't another person, I feel like it's your relationship with spirit. You thought that they weren't there. You thought that they were taking too long to come and help you. Maybe you were calling on your angels and didn't feel like they were there, but this is them reminding you that yes, we have been here the whole time. We've been moving in the background a little slowly, and now the offer is ready to be presented to you. And this is maybe this pentacle here is the downloads and the information and the clarity and the enlightenment from spirit about your journey here. Whatever was holding back, whoever was holding back, has been healing the situation in a way that creates a space for this celebration and this reunion. So let's get a couple more cards on the past energy, please, for Scorpio, April 2020. What do we have for Scorpio? Okay. Yeah. In the past, there's more burdens here. Something was really weighing you down. You felt like you needed to bundle it all up, drop it, and it's like you didn't care what it was. You just wanted to feel better because emotionally you were drained. You wanted to drop the 10 and move to the 1, have this new beginning, and figure things out from there. So let's see where you are in the current energies. For Scorpio, April 2020. I'm going to just take this one. This is the Two of Swords. This is a stalemate. This is not moving forward, being unwilling to make a decision about whatever is on offer here. You're at a fork in the road, and I think that you're currently waiting for the universe to show you the way. And I think part of your healing is probably that you are surrendering and allowing whatever needs to come to come. It's kind of similar to the Aries reading. If you have Aries in your chart, maybe you should watch that one too. So whatever will be, will be. Yeah, great change coming in regarding something that was very hard, that put you at the end of your rope, that just about killed you. This over here is heavy. This over here is not wanting to be where you are. And the universe is saying that they're coming to help you out of this stalemate energy. So in the future, let's see what we have for you. For Scorpio, April 2020. Knight of Wands. So whatever was taking a really long time is now passionate, and it's coming in after some much needed rest. So whatever information that you've been waiting on, from a person or from spirit, I think that it's going to be coming in very clearly to you soon. It's going to feel like it's being held back, and then all of a sudden you're going to be in the middle of your healing and resting period, and it's just going to pop in out of nowhere. Passionately. Could be through text message, fast communication, either about a connection that's divine or your spiritual journey itself. take it how it resonates. So let's get a card from the universe to see what Spirit has for you and how they see these would be the best way to move forward in this situation. Here we go. Universe, what do we have for Scorpio? April 2020. It is safe and beautiful to express my sensuality. If you have been in a space to where it didn't feel safe to love, I really am getting like a feeling of all of these burdens you've kind of brought on yourself. The back and forth, the mental craziness, everything that you're just wanting to let go of. I feel like it could be just about how you're choosing to treat yourself. Earlier, I looked at the bottom of the deck after this Two of Swords, and the Devil was there. The Devil can be toxic relationships. It can be the way we talk to ourselves, karmic bonds, karmic lessons. Whatever was creating this hard energy for you in the past has also created a state of mind of confusion. And it's made it hard for you to even love yourself. And I think that the universe is saying, okay, you've learned those lessons here. We're ready to move on. We need to get out of this stalemate energy and we need to get going. Get going again. No more holding back. So I think this is fine right now. Not knowing where you're going is fine right now because the universe is coming in to guide you. I think a couple of readings ago, your reading was about you being guided, and I kind of see that again here. Okay, Scorpio, that's all I have. Wherever you're going, however you're getting there, Spirit's coming in to reinforce your path. And I think everything's going to be okay. You just have to believe that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.